Okay, so this is going to be a really fast video. Starting out, you're going to need some Krylon stained glass spray paint, which is what I prefer, but as you see, at the very end I have some Tint It spray paint. The label, it says that it's transparent dye, but it works really well too. Now these colors I already had on hand, but Krylon does sell blue stained glass spray paint, so now you can make your very own blue mirror tile. Now here I have a sheet of the Dollar Tree mirror tile that I'm going to spray paint green. So first you want to go outside and put your towel down. Shake your can really well. Then make sure that your can is at least 12 inches away from your mirror towel. And lightly spray a few coats of the color onto your sheet of mirror tiles. Let the mirror tiles dry, which took about 10 minutes because it was a really hot day. So then you'll just repeat the steps. Spray the mirror tiles with the spray paint. Let it dry. Spray another coat until you achieve the color that you want. When you apply the spray paint, you'll see that it gives like a cloudy look, but don't worry about that because when it dries completely, you'll see that it completely clears up and still has a shiny mirror finish. So I'm almost completely satisfied with my color. I'll let this dry and then come back in with one more coat. Here's a reminder of what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like after the spray paint. And finally, here's our side-by-side comparison. Yeah guys, it's as simple as that. Go out and grab your can of the Krylon stained glass spray paint. Get it in blue, green to have several different colors. Spray your mirror tiles, your glass, whatever you like. I actually have a couple of videos up where I use this in other projects, and I'll leave a link below to those as well. Hope this DIY was helpful to someone, especially those of you who are really trying to find the blue tiles. So if this has been helpful to you, please comment below and tell me about it. Or if you've used the stained glass spray paint before, I'd like to hear about that as well. This concludes my video, and I'll see you in the next one.